Modern Age MCQs, Physics, Class First Year, Unit 3, Motion and Force, Part 2. A basketball is thrown upward along a parabolic path. What is the acceleration of ball at every point of its trajectory? Option A, G upward. Option B, G downward. Option C, G horizontal. Option D, G is equal to 0. The key is G downward. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: a parabolic path of basketball is in a vertical plane under the action of gravity. The acceleration is gravitational acceleration g. It is in downward direction at every point of the trajectory because of the gravitational pull towards the center of Earth. Hence, the acceleration of basketball at every point of trajectory is g downward. A shell is foiled vertically upward. What is the acceleration of shell at its highest point? Option A, 9.8 meter per square second upward. Option B, 19.6 meter per square second upward. Option C, 9.8 meter per square second downward. Option D, 19.6 meter per square second downward. The key is 9.8 meter per square second downward. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: due to gravitational force of attraction, the gravitational acceleration g is towards the center of Earth. Hence, the acceleration of shell at its highest point is 9.8 meter per square second downward. A projectile is launched at an angle of 60 degrees in the horizontal direction with initial kinetic energy E in the absence of air friction. What is the kinetic energy of the projectile at highest point in Joule? The option A, 0.70 E. Option B, 0.86 E. Option C, 0.50 E. Option D, 0.25 E. The key is 0.25 E. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the initial kinetic energy of a projectile is equal to 1 by 2 Vi square, which is equal to E. At the highest point, the vertical component of velocity Vy is equal to 0 and the horizontal component of velocity Vx is equal to Vix, which is equal to Vi cos theta. It remains constant throughout the motion of the projectile. The kinetic energy at the highest point is 1 by 2 m Vix square, which is equal to 1 by 2 m V I square cos theta whole square, which is equal to E, because 1 by 2 m Vi square is equal to capital E into cos theta whole square, or the final kinetic energy is equal to E into cos 60, where cos 60 is 0.5. So the square of 0.5 is 0.25. Therefore, the kinetic energy at the highest point is equal to 0.25 E. Hence, the kinetic energy of the projectile at highest point is 0.25 E joule. To improve jumping record, a long jumper should jump at an angle of option A 0 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 45 degree, option D 60 degree. The key is 45 degree. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: The long jump is the projectile motion of a long jumper. The range, horizontal length of jump, is maximum at an angle of 45 degree because the range r is equal to vi square sine 2 theta divided by g is maximum rm equal to vi square divided by g if sine 2 theta is equal to 1 r 2 theta is equal to 90 degree r theta is equal to 45 degree. Hence, a long jumper should jump at an angle of 45 degree. A projectile reaches the maximum height in 3.0 seconds. The total time of flight is calculated to be option A 6.0 seconds, option B 9.8 seconds, option C 3.0 seconds, option D 4.9 seconds. The key is 6.0 seconds. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: in gravitational field, the time taken by a body to reach maximum height is same as the time of fall of the body from the same height to ground. Therefore, the total time of flight of projectile is 3 seconds plus 3 seconds, which is equal to 6 seconds. Hence, the total time of flight of projectile is 6 seconds. A projectile has same range for angles pair. Option A 45 degree 70 degree, option B 45 degree 50 degree, option C 40 degree 50 degree, option D 45 degree 55 degree. The key is 40 degree 50 degree. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: the range of a projectile r is equal to v naught square sine 2 theta divided by g is always same for complementary angles. The angles 40 degree and 50 degree are the complementary angles because 40 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 90 degree. All the other angles given in other three options are not complementary angle. Hence, the range of a projectile remains same for pair of angles 45 degree, 50 degree. A projectile has not same range for angles pair. Option A 45 degree, option B 50 degree 40 degree, option C 60 degree 30 degree, option D 80 degree 20 degree. The key is 80 degree 20 degree. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the range of a projectile r is equal to v naught square sine 2 theta divided by g is same for complementary angles. The angles 80 degree and 20 degree are not complementary because 80 degree plus 20 degree is equal to 100 degree, which is not 90 degree. Hence, the range of projectile is not same for angles 80 degree 20 degree. A projectile follows same trajectory for option A 10 degree 80 degree, option B 20 degree 70 degree, option C 40 degree 50 degree, option D 45 degree 45 degree. The key is 45 degree 45 degree. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the range of a projectile r is equal to v naught square sine 2 theta divided by g is always same for complementary angles. All pairs of angles in options A, B and C are complementary, but trajectories are different. Each and every time a projectile follows the same trajectory for an angle of projection of 45 degree because of maximum range Rm is equal to V naught square divided by G. Hence, a projectile follows Same trajectory for pair of angles 45 degree, 45 degree. The range or of a projectile is equal to option A 2v naught square sine theta cos theta divided by g, option B 2v naught square sine theta divided by g, option C 2v naught square cos theta divided by g, option D 2v naught square sine 2 theta divided by g. The key is 2v naught square sine theta cos theta divided by g. Therefore, the option A is correct. Reason. The formula for range of projectile is R is equal to V naught square sine 2 theta divided by G, which can also be written as R is equal to 2 V naught square sine theta cos theta divided by G, because sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, and V naught is the velocity of projection of projectile. Hence, the range or of a projectile is equal to 2v naught square sine theta cos theta divided by g. A projectile is launched at an angle of 60 degree in the horizontal direction with initial kinetic energy of 40 joules. Assuming no air resistance, what will be the kinetic energy of the projectile at the highest point? Option A 40 joule, option B 20 joules, option C 10 joules, option D 5 joules. The key is 10 joules. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason. The initial kinetic energy of a projectile is 1 by 2 mvi square, which is equal to 40 joule. At the highest point, the vertical component of velocity Vy is equal to 0, and the horizontal component of velocity Vx is equal to Vix is equal to Vi cos theta. It remains constant throughout the motion of the projectile. Therefore, the kinetic energy at the highest point is 1 by 2 mvix whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2 vi square cos theta whole square, which is equal to 40, because 1 by 2 mvi square is the initial kinetic energy, which is equal to 40 joule. So it is equal to 40 into cos 60 whole square, where cos 60 is 0.5 and square of 0.5 is 0.25. Therefore, 40 into 0.25 is equal to 10 joule. Hence, the kinetic energy of the projectile at highest point is 10 joule.